How to log out of your Wise account. Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be showing you how to log out of your Wise account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wise application. Then after opening the Wise application, just simply unlock by putting up your passcode or biometric. Then just simply tap to your profile picture into top left, and from there you will get to see a bunch of options. Just simply scroll down at the very bottom and then you will get to see this logout option. Just simply tap to log out and then your account will successfully be logged out from your mobile phone. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.